How to receive Bitcoin on Luno Wallet full guide. Most people get this wrong, but receiving Bitcoin on your Luno Wallet is simpler than it looks. You won't believe how quickly you can get your first transaction without any confusion. Start by opening your Luno app on your phone or logging into the web platform. Once inside, navigate to your Bitcoin wallet. Tap Receive, and you'll see your unique Bitcoin address along with a QR code. This is what you'll share with anyone sending you Bitcoin. The next step is crucial. Copy the Bitcoin address carefully or let the sender scan the QR code. Mistyping even a single character can result in lost funds. Make sure you're using the correct address for Bitcoin, not another cryptocurrency like Ethereum or Litecoin. Once the sender initiates the transfer, it will appear as pending in your Luno wallet. Bitcoin transactions need confirmations on the blockchain, so it might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network traffic. You can track the progress directly in the Luno app or using a blockchain explorer by pasting your transaction ID. The surprising truth is most users panic when the transaction isn't instant. Remember, Bitcoin confirmations are part of security, ensuring your coins aren't double spent. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin balance will update, and you're ready to use it for payments, trading or long-term storage. For extra security, consider enabling two-factor authentication and email alerts in your Luno account. This protects your wallet from unauthorized access. In conclusion, receiving Bitcoin on Luno Wallet is straightforward. Open your Bitcoin wallet, get your address, share it safely, wait for confirmations, and monitor your balance. Follow these steps, and you'll receive Bitcoin securely and confidently every time.